Hello everybody, how's it going? Today's my birthday and I got some stuff and I thought I'd go over them with you for my birthday today. So, a couple of cards I got, nice little Joe mix in here. We're going to open this up and I got a rookie card, Demarius Thomas. He just retired recently, so I got that. We have a 253 out of 299 Kendall Wright rookie card. We have a Shaquille O'Neal Lakers card. And a Kawhi Leonard Spurs card. I just got Kawhi Leonard because NBA playoffs. And I got the Shaquille O'Neal because, yeah. I have two of these. I already opened one. We got Tua, Damian Harris, Kenyon Drake, Minka Fitzpatrick, Matthew Stafford. Finally got my first Joe Burrow card, and I actually like it. Oh, I got an Alvin Kamara card, Michael Thomas. Then we got Trey Sermon. Oh, jeez, I'm just dropping these now. Nice little front row seats card there. Then we got DK Metcalf, Adam Thielen, Patrick Mahomes, Devontae Adams, Jordan Love, Josh Allen, and a Russell Wilson legendary with Chris Carson, purple foil, I believe is what you would call it, and Kirk Cousins. So, yeah. Jordan Love could possibly be the new starter for the Packers if they decide to trade Aaron Rodgers or if he retires and comes back. I'm a Broncos fan, so I'm honestly would be thrilled if we got him. We start off with Chase Claypool. Now, even though I'm a Broncos fan, like I just mentioned, I like some other players like Chase Claypool, and honestly, game that I love. Matt Ryan, Joe Mixon, Daniel Jones, Jalen Smith, Rob Gronkowski, Todd Gurley, Ryan Tannehill. Then we get another front row seats and Sean Wade. Interesting. Get a legendary contenders Joe Burrow. Purple foil card with Cam Newton. Very interesting. Not numbered. Oh well. We get Aaron Donald, Allen Robinson II, Cole Beasley, Nick Chubb, Tre'Davious White, DeAndre Hopkins, and Juju Smith-Schuster. Interesting. We get the dynamic duo of Steelers receivers. TikTok stars. Been seeing that meme float around for a while, so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, leave a comment down below. Or if you have any good video ideas, because honestly, I'm not that good of thinking. I just wait until I'm able to get some of these, and then I'm like, cool, I can do a video off of this. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.